Hey everybody and welcome to REYTech Media. My name is Joe and today I have an unboxing and quick review of the MPow EG11 gaming headset. If you are interested in this headset, it will set you back around 30 US dollars. However, there are often discounts available, so make sure you check out the affiliate links in the description below to get the best deal possible. The headset comes in a medium-sized box as this is a pretty big headset. According to the box description, this supports surround sound, inline volume and mic control, comfortable earpads, noise-canceling mic, wide compatibility. In case you're interested, the model number for this headset is BH502A. On the right side of the box, you see only a simple diagram of what the headset looks like from the side. On the left side of the box, you see the same main features that were listed on the front. Inside the box you get the headset itself, which I will set aside for now, a 2-year warranty card, a TRRS to TRS microphone and headphone splitter, and some documentation. The headset comes in bubble wrap, and as you take it out, right away you can tell this is a pretty big headset. The left side has the microphone, which we will get to in a minute. The right side has no buttons, just the MPow logo as well as some red accents, which are also on the left side by the way. On top of the headband, a big and glossy MPow logo greets you. Overall, the headset is rather plasticky, but we'll get to the build in a minute. Meanwhile, let's check out the microphone. It is very long and flexible, which makes it easy to adjust. Positioning it towards your mouth is just as easy as it is to pull it up to tuck it away when you're not using it. The Text gaming headphone is carved at the base, and that's pretty much it regarding the microphone. I'll include a microphone test after we check out the rest of the headset. The length of the headband is adjustable, as you would expect, but there are no metal plates here, which is a bit of a surprise to me. So far, the entire headset appears to be made out of plastic, but let's move on. The headband is flexible, which should help fitting most head sizes. The ear cups swivel slightly on their base, but they do not swivel or rotate enough to fold. It seems this headset is definitely not meant for travel. In case it was not yet obvious, this is a wired headset. The wire itself is braided, which is a really nice touch. As mentioned in the front of the box, there are inline controls. In it, there is a mute switch for the microphone as well as a volume knob. On the end of the cable, there is a 3.5mm TRRS plug. This is the type that includes both headphones and microphone in a single port. This is compatible with pretty much all cell phones that still have a headphone jack, as well as most computers that have a single 3.5mm headset port. You can plug in the included splitter adapter in case you need to separate the headphone and microphone into individual TRS plugs. Now let's check how the microphone sounds. So how does the microphone sound? This is right now a sound test of the microphone in the MPow EG11 headset. Right now there might be some noise because it's raining and I'm not sure if it's gonna pick up the noise of the cord, which is braided by the way, which is really nice. And yeah, this is it. If I lift the microphone up, this is what it sounds like. And if I pull it back down, then this is what it sounds like. I feel like the position of the microphone is excellent for microphone technique, meaning that the microphone does not have to be right in front of your mouth so that you don't hear the plosives. So this is a very good way to guarantee that you will not be hearing plosives when you speak into this microphone. Now this is the controller, and as you can see, well, let me put it right side up. As you can see, there is a mute switch right here and there's a volume knob right here. So this volume knob is only for what you hear, and this mute switch should mute the microphone. Let's test it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is what it sounds like. Oh, by the way, the microphone is connected directly to the microphone port of this camera. This is a Canon SL2, and I'm using the included splitter. I had to remember the name of that. Anyway, what do you think? To be honest, I was pleasantly surprised at how well the microphone of the MPow EG11 headset sounds. My voice was very clear, despite the test being done while it was raining here. Now, I am not an audiophile, but in my opinion, the sound of the headphones is rather flat, lacking bass and clarity as well as instrument separation. Keep in mind, however, that this is a gaming headset and as such, it is not intended for music listening. But, as a gaming headset, the sound quality should be more than adequate, especially for multiplayer games that have voice chat feature, considering how well the microphone performs. If you're on a tight budget and you need a headset with a good microphone, you definitely can't go wrong with this one. So, let me know in the comments if you're gonna give this headset a try or if you want to suggest another headset that you like. If you liked this video or found it helpful, a smash of the like button would be amazing. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. This is it for now, and until the next one, may God bless you all.